Hello, I want to show you how to use the snipping tool to submit your interactive assignments. So I've already completed the interactive post-module quiz, and I am going to snip my quiz results and put it on a Word document. So I am going to find my snipping tool, open that up, and I'm going to click on my Windows logo key and the Shift and the S. Then I'm going to take this cursor here and I'm just going to highlight the area that I want to copy. Then I'm going to open a Word document and I am going to copy the results and just paste the results on a Word document. Then I will save the Word document and I'm going to save it as Heilman Interactive Quiz Week 1, and I'm just going to save that to my downloads. You can save it wherever you want to. Then from there, I'm going to submit my assignment. So this is my week 1. You can see this is my week 1 interactive modules. I'm going to come down here to the submit button, submit assignment. But first, I'm going to upload that file. So I'm going to upload that Word document. So click on choose file. I'm going to go, here is my interactive quiz week 1. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to upload the file and then I'm going to click submit assignment. And that is all that you have to do to submit your interactive quiz results. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to send us an email or to text or call us if you have any questions. Thank you very much.